I want to marry my cat. She's my dead friend. I want to marry my cat without banging her. No banging my cat. Don't you want to marry me, Miss or Miss Gruffle Smith? Stop. Alright. Now to the Spade Planet. Exorcism. It kills all the spades. And that's the end of my system. And that was a scary system because devil heads. Satellite 3 on this planet. And exorcism. I need no devil juice, no spade juice immediately. Vey out my body, oh, it's not me, it's a guy in my body, inside my body, dude. Freaking freaky. They did that with the Spin Hern Cern Vern. And it looks like that. How they do that. It's not a real, it's an illusion of the mind. But what it does is it fixates, and when it fixates, it goes up, down, surround sound, come out my body. And it doesn't really affect your neck. That's pretty cool. That's an awesome device. I'd pay for that. I wouldn't pay no 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks, and thousands. Dragon won't let me spend the money. You're kind of evil, aren't you? If you weren't as evil and get exorcisms, I'd spend the money. He'd let me spend the money. I love my cat. You got anything to say, kitty? Orvor, sorator, vor, soravor, oravorator, avor, and video? I love you too. You love me and I love you. You love me and I love you, Barney. Oh, you remember Barney. The exorcism hurt you? It's okay, cats aren't evil, right? You said cats aren't evil. It's sad when you don't have a girlfriend and all you have is a kitty. It's really sad. Needs a girlfriend. She needs a cat friend. I wish all the cat lovers came together. And all the cat lovers came together, and cats would love each other, and girls would come together with their cat. And they'd come together with their cats, and we'd all love each other.